Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful Instagram and tech tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the new instance feature on Instagram and explain why many users are disabling it for better privacy. If you use Instagram regularly, then you've probably noticed a new feature called Instance appearing inside your Instagram inbox. Basically, the Instance feature allows you to quickly capture and share photos directly from your inbox using the small camera shortcut. It is designed to make photo sharing faster and more casual with close friends and mutual followers. But many users are not comfortable with this feature because the camera opens instantly. It increases the risk of accidental photo sharing. Some users feel it affects their privacy, and many people simply don't use this feature at all. So if you also want a more private Instagram experience, this video is definitely for you. Now let's get started. Now go to your profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Open Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down to the What You See section. Tap on Content Preferences. Now scroll to the bottom. Here you will see the option called Hide Instance in Inbox. Simply turn on this option. Once you enable it, the Instance feature will be removed from your Instagram inbox. Let's check the result. Now go back to your Instagram inbox. As you can see, the Instance icon is no longer visible in the sidebar. This means the feature has been successfully disabled. So this is how you can easily turn off the new Instagram Instance feature and make your Instagram experience more private and less distracting. I hope this video helped you understand this new update clearly. If it did, don't forget to like the video,